Hey guys, welcome to Login Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Soundraw AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to register an account on the Soundraw AI, which is a music generator AI online. Now let's dive right in. To do that, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address soundraw.io and hit on enter, and after that you'll be directed to the home page of Soundraw AI. So let's wait for it. And after we have landed on the home page of the Soundraw, at the top right corner of this page you can see there is the sign in and the sign up button available for us. In order to register an account on the Soundraw, simply click on the sign up button available over here at the top right corner. And over here guys, you can see you will be able to sign up for a Soundraw account directly from over here by entering your email address with which you have to create an account on the Soundraw, and then enter your password which we will be using later on to sign into our Soundraw AI account. And with that being said guys, after entering your credentials like your email address and your password, you will have to go through a plan to continue to Soundraw or subscribe to the Soundraw. You can go with the annual plan, which is $60 per month or $17 per month, or you can go with a monthly plan. And with that being said guys, after choosing your plan type, you can succeed with your PayPal or your credit card, whichever you like. After choosing your PayPal IDs or your credit card, you can see when you choose your credit card, you'll be required to enter your debit card number or your credit card number, whichever may it be, and after that enter your month and year of your date of expiration of your credit card, and after that enter your security code, and you can see a place to apply a promo code. And if you have a promo code, simply click over here and click on the type in the promo code and click on apply. And with that being done guys, let's go to the PayPal. And after you have entered all of your credentials and chosen your payment methods and your plans, simply click on this box where it says by clicking the create account button. You will have agreed to their terms and services and privacy policies. And with that being said guys, with being all this done, click on I'm not a robot to verify that you're a human, and click the verification task or enter the verification task given by the uh, verification, and click on verify. And after that you can see all of the credentials has been filled. Click on PayPal, and then you will have signed up for a Soundraw account. And on the next step you will have to verify that you itself by going to this email address you just entered over here, and click on the verification link sent by the Soundraw, and then you will have or you will be able to use the Soundraw AI online on your computer with ease using this email. And with that being said guys, this is how you register an account on the Soundraw. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.